I have out here on the table is the sampling system that I use for sampling gas wells around the Southwest. And right now I'm finishing up the procedure to make sure that the system does not have any carbon dioxide in it from the atmosphere. When you open the system up, why that allows air in, and even though there's only about a trillionth of the whole atmosphere that's represented by CO2, it's enough to throw measurements off. So I have to purge this system out using helium and run through several purge cycles using good old gas law to exchange volumes and from one higher pressure to lower pressure to make sure that there's no residual carbon dioxide from the atmosphere in the system, so that when I go out to the gas wells, that I can be assured that the sample I get is a pure sample. So I can demonstrate for you how this goes by running the system through a cycle. The helium cylinder, ultra high purity cylinder full of helium. You see the regulator there. See that we got it open. And I'm going to admit some helium into the system. And let's see what we got here. Open this valve. It says that this one's a little over 50. This one here says it is 57 psi. And so the system is open here for the sample cylinders for the carbon-14 analysis, and the large cylinders down here are open, and they will be used for the xenon analysis. The xenon is a lot less by part in the material, in the gas, so we need larger bottles so we can get a good xenon sample. So now I'm going to close the source valve and close this valve because it doesn't go to vacuum. This one we'll leave open, and we'll turn on the vacuum pump, and we'll pump the system down. And open this valve and you'll see you hear the pumping going on. And we're down to minus 25 inches of mercury in the system. So now we can close the valve, turn off the pump. That completes the cycle. And to run through another cycle, we just open up the helium valve here, and you might hear a little bit of a hiss as the helium fills the system. And there we are, back up to 57 again. Close the valve. Now this one won't change because I've got it blocked off. It won't go. You'll break the pressure gauge if you go negative into the vacuum conditions. So we're now ready for another cycle. Turn on the vacuum pump. And open the cylinder. And here we come again to minus 25 inches of mercury. Refill with some helium now. So we were as low as minus 25 inches of mercury, and now there is 57 psi of pure helium in there. So the idea is that you do this about 14 times and you will not have any residual CO2 in the system from the atmosphere that could contaminate the sample. And this has worked now, having gone into the field several times and gotten decent results every time.